Question number 20. An initially stationary firework explodes and splits into two fragments. So it splits into two fragments that move horizontally in opposite directions. The total kinetic energy transferred to the fragments by the explosion is E. That is, the total energy is transferred to the fragment is E. One fragment has a mass of m, that is, one fragment has a mass of m, and the other fragment has a mass of 2m. So other has a mass of 2m. What is the speed of the fragment of mass m initially after explosion? So what is the speed of the fragment of mass m, that is this fragment, after the explosion? So both the fragments are moving in opposite direction, that is in opposite direction, and you must have to remember that the momentum is always conserved. Since the momentum is always conserved and momentum is mass into velocity, so since it has a mass of m, and it has a mass of 2m, since it has a mass of 2m, so it has a velocity of v, while this has a mass of m, so it must have a velocity of 2v. So 2v into m and 2m, that is 2m into v. So the momentum on the right is equal to the momentum on the left, that is, the momentum is always conserved. So for the mass m, it has a velocity of 2v, and for the mass of 2m, it must have a velocity of v. So what is the speed of the fragment m? And so the total kinetic energy is E. So the total kinetic energy is E, and we know that kinetic energy is half mv square. So half m and 2v square plus half 2m into v square is the total energy, that is the total energy transferred to the fragments. So the total kinetic energy transferred to the fragments. So we equate this and find the value of v, that is v is equal to root over e by 3m. So root over e by 3m. So v is the root over e by 3m. But we need to find the speed of the fragment of mass m. So fragment of mass m has a speed of 2v. So for v, we get this value. For 2v, so for 2v, we must have a value of 2 root over e by 3m. So 2 root over e by 3m, or you can say that 2 root over e by 3m is equal to root over 4e by 3m, that is root over 4 is 2, so this is the same. Therefore the option is D, that is exactly same as the given option.